Hi guys, so today we're going to show you how to make a really fabulous, quick Christmas table. So we always need a nice centerpiece, so what better than using a light up Christmas wreath. So that's going to go in the middle, and then we're going to put a cake stand in there, of course with some cakes, and then I'm going to put some clip-on flowers in here just to make a bit more magic. So I'm going to use my red poinsettias. Again, really open them out, fluff them out, and because they're on a clip, it's so quick, just clip them in to make some magic. Okay? Fluff them out nicely. Like so. Okay. And then we have some fantastic Christmas plates. So again, we're just going to set them out, some really beautiful small ones. And of course, with the Christmas tree. So we're just going to lay them out, Christmas style. Okay, we're going to definitely need some glasses for a bit of kava or some bubbles. Thank you, Amy. Then we need a decanter that can go there in the middle. And we have these fantastic boxes, which are fantastic for a bottle of the kava. So that also goes in place. Some champagne. Next we have the plate stands. These also have the funky Christmas patterns on. We're going to put one here in the middle. It's perfect there in the middle display for a cake. And the bigger one can go here. Here we have some nice boxes, the Christmas boxes. Can also go there in the front. This is a great serviette holder with the Christmas tree. Here we have our cutlery. And again, some really nice long plates, great for cookies. Put our knives and forks out. And some salt and pepper shakers, really cute. Can also go here. I think we need some cakes. Okay, we're going to put that one in the center. And a fantastic strawberry one. And last we have some tea light holders. Now these are great just to spread everywhere around, so when they're on, it creates some real magic. I'll just place them everywhere. Last one. So guys, that's our fast, magical Christmas table. See you again.